If you're looking for a mini size CarPlay or Android Auto, look no further, this is a great find. With this mini device, it actually comes with a few extra accessories. It comes with a 90-degree angle, which you could use just in case you want to have more, make your device more invisible. And I'm going to show you what I mean in a moment. It also comes with a little wire, so just in case you don't have proper access to your USB or USB-C access point, you can actually hide it over a bit. When you are plugging in, make sure you do plug it into the one that says a Bluetooth logo over there. Now here I am using the 90-degree angle, I'm pointing it down. Here I am actually just wedging it up a bit, and it also fits nicely in that little nook over there. So there's different ways you could use it with this 90-degree angle. Now with this little device, there's actually a button on the side as well, where you could switch between two different devices at the same time, or you could actually reset it completely by double tapping it. Now, to set it up, it's simple as plugging it in. It will actually pair. Your car will recognize that it's connecting to this device. Now, it's just telling me that I have to take my phone and search with it on Bluetooth. So I'm gonna take my phone, search with it, as I am right here. I'm searching it. There it goes. Just popped up just like that. I'm gonna select, connect, use the code. Now, if you want your contacts on there, which I want, being that I want to be able to use my contacts on the phone, I want to be able to use Siri, being that I'm using CarPlay over here, and I'm going to be using my iPhone. And just like that, it simultaneously connects, simple as that. All my apps that connect via CarPlay work just like that. I'm able to play music. I'm able to listen to some podcast. I'm able to have some Spotify on. Of course, use Maps when I'm driving. And of course, have some phone calls. And then what I really like about this device, I don't have to use any wires anymore in the car. So with this little device, I'm able to just simultaneously connect it to the car. It just connects as soon as I turn it on. The company did gift this to me. I'm super happy and excited to start using it. 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Don't forget, add to cart.